Now let's discuss the Avira hardware. The Avira system has been designed from the ground up to offer hardware options to enhance the installation process and beauty of the project. Our patent-pending two-way track has multiple innovative hanging options. There's full track. This comes in 4-foot lengths, flat brackets, L brackets, and coming soon, commercial and flat roof installation. We've designed other accessories that really add to the final look of the project. Flat caps to seal up the track ends, and multi-use caps that can be used for corners, sloped corners, and even track termination. We've also introduced a peak cap system to allow you to install one light in the center of the gable peak.